You hear a lot of interesting noises at night where I live. There's a train. Just heard an owl hooting a minute ago. It's really cool. Just that. What is that bug? If anyone hears that and can identify it. Oh, cool. There goes the owl. Yep. Let me know in the comments. That bug there that's making that sound. That's a weird bird out there too. Oh my goodness. Last time I heard a bug like that, I was at my grandmother's place, and she lived out in a rural area, and so I thought you only heard sounds like that in the country, and I'm more in a suburb, so that's what makes it unusual. So sorry, I don't study these kinds of things. Oh, there goes that owl again. I heard a train a minute ago. I always like the sound of a train at night. It's kind of cool. Kind of peaceful. Okay. Yeah, I think you can still hear it. And I only hear that bug during the daytime too. Ooh, there goes the train. There you go. That's what they must. If anybody's wondering, it's a little bit after midnight right now. Okay, well, that's pretty much it for this little video. The sounds of summer. Okay, thank you. Oh, there's another. There goes again. Okay, alrighty. Oh, that's peaceful, isn't it? Okay. Alrighty. Well, thanks for watching, and talk to you soon.